What's up, YouTube? Okay, so we got a 2020 Cfmoto and it had throttle issues. In other words, when I went to give it gas, it wouldn't stay running. I went all on the owner's manual, went through everything. There was no way you could adjust for the throttle. So let me show you this new hack that you can do. If you take this cover plate off right here, you have to unhook the exhaust right here, take all this off right here. But if you look down inside here, you see where that's moving? There, get a better zoom. Okay, what I did is I took this set screw out where I'm pointing at, and I pulled the set screw out. Well, I adjusted the set screw first, then I took a Sharpie and I made a mark when I loosened this nut, so I know where to put the nut back. So I took the screw out, and then I took a hot glue gun and made a rubber gasket around it so the screw wouldn't back out or move again. I put the screw back in place to adjust the throttle because I didn't want it too much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Let me screw this in so my antifreeze don't come out all over the place. All right, so we got a temporary screw there. Turn the key. Okay, you see there's no adjustment for the throttle here, but you can adjust it right there. So I just wanted you guys to let you know there is a way to fix your Cfmoto if you got throttle body issues. Take care and subscribe for more hacks.